destroy.
No, you do it yourself.
We don't like you.
Yeah, we mean that.
Emphatically.
Yeah, what does that mean?
I have no idea.
Good word.
Run, lady, quickly, and I'm going to help you.
Tessie, somebody! They're gonna do something bad. Who is? They are.
So am I, milady. I'll not let you down again.
Ah, who needs you, Splodge?
Hey, wait.
Watch out for the viaduct. It's dangerous.
We're never gonna make it. We found Fifth Avenue. Number 1, Fifth Avenue. We gotta go to 987. Come on, Mommy, get on my back. Come on, you guys, help!
What's the matter? Lady. That engine's name is Lady. She's part of the clue to the source of the gold dust. Ah!
Now I'll get you, Burnett Stone.
No, you won't. Because the magic you refuse to believe in will get the better of you.
You can run, but you can't hide. Right, Pinchy? Pinchy's hungry.
Get back!
Come on, lady.
Coming, Puffball. Look out!
Would you slow down?
Here I come! Duck, Pinchy! I like my lunch steamed. Pretty fast for a puffball.
Well, lady, this is your shining time, too.
I hope so. Come on, lady. Little engines can do big things.
You're a really useful engine, Thomas. We're never gonna make it. We found Fifth Avenue. Number 1, Fifth Avenue. We gotta go to 987. Come on, Molly, get on my back. Come on, you guys, help!
Would you slow down?
Well done, Thomas. Well done.
Puffball! Teapot! Kettle! Oh well, a nice time of the year for a cruise.